Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A 50-kilogram crate is pulled from rest by a constant force P applied at 30 degrees above the horizontal. The crate reaches a speed of 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the crate and the ground is μk equals 0.2. Determine the magnitude of P. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Since the force is constant and we know the time interval and the change in velocity, we apply the linear impulse momentum principle. The net impulse equals the change in momentum. The crate starts from rest and reaches 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. Here is the free body diagram of the crate. The weight acts downward, the normal force acts upward, the applied force P acts up and to the right at 30 degrees above horizontal, and kinetic friction acts to the left opposing the rightward motion. Because there is no vertical acceleration, the sum of forces in the y direction equals 0. The normal force plus the vertical component of P equals the weight. Solving for n gives 490.5 minus 0.5 p newtons. The kinetic friction force equals μk times the normal force. Substituting friction equals 98.1 minus 0.1 p newtons. Applying impulse momentum in the horizontal direction, the net horizontal force times the time interval equals the mass times the final velocity. We substitute the expression for friction and the known values. Dividing both sides by 5, then collecting all terms with p on the left side, we get p times the quantity cosine 30 degrees plus 0.1 equals 198.1. Cosine 30 degrees is approximately 0.866, so the bracket equals 0.966. Dividing 198.1 by 0.966 gives P approximately equal to 205 newtons. Verifying with P equal to 205 newtons, the normal force is 388 newtons, kinetic friction is 77.6 newtons, and the net horizontal force is approximately 100 newtons. The impulse is 100 times 5 equals 500 newton-seconds, which matches the momentum change of 50 times 10 equals 500 newton-seconds. The answer is confirmed. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.